promising another beautiful day, and we don't want to waste it, of course. Karen has some little projects to do around the house, and we were going to try to do some farming tonight. I hope that I keep thinking I'm a farmer and a motorcycle rider. What a combination. Anyway, I do like to get her stuff done first and then have my riding time after. So when I get home, I don't like going for a ride and coming home and being a farmer. And I kid around about being a farmer, but I really do enjoy working in the garden with Karen. And we have, over the 30 years we've been married, we found a lot of little projects we enjoy together, and that garden happens to be one of them. And Rob was really disappointed. He's, well, you know what the bottom line is? When you have a young family, or a farm, there's always some, or fish, or her wife, there's always something. And when you have an old fleet of motorcycles that are 30 years old or more, there's always something. Thankfully, every once in a while, we have a new bike that's only 10 or 11 years old that's low maintenance. And as we're feeding the fish here and checking out the wisteria, we are at the point in the wisteria's seasonal blooming. We had this bloom more than once a couple of years ago, but usually it just blooms in the spring for a couple of weeks and that's it. And boy, the fish, what the hell is going on with the fish? They look like they're having a, well, it's the time of year they're probably happy to start being fed. I know I would be. And this is one of Karen's prides. We planted this plant when we dug the pond, and over the years it's turned into be a beautiful plant, and well, it's probably 25 or so years old. And if you like bees, just plant wisteria. There are more bees on this wisteria. Well, it's time to get started. All our little chores are done for the morning, and we're ready to hit the open road. All the animals are fed. I'm fed. The coffee's down. All we're waiting for is just Karen to give me the big okay that she'll see me for lunch. And Pokey, your stuff is drying up. Should be ready in a day or two to pick up. I wanted that paint to be good and hard before you picked it up. And I always think that the GS, the styling on a GS, one of the most beautiful bikes of all time. Right up there with whatever your favorite is. I really think they did a great job. And that's only the 82 and the 83. The rest of them are Buicks. Well, we are ready to go, and the weather report says beautiful, beautiful weather, and it might even get up into the 70s. Time to go. Oh, what a beautiful day this turned out to be. Look at this beautiful, beautiful trees are still flowering.
really nicely maintained piece of property here. Hey, nicely maintained bike. Boy, there are no cars out today. It's almost like life after people.
I'm home, and look at what a beautiful day it is. The beautiful wife, the beautiful bike. Now, if I could add my name to that list. Is there any chance I can get a big cup of coffee? Big. Extra caffeine for an old man. So today I'm home. Karen's brewing up some coffee, and this is a great idea. Now, what I do every morning, we're in the bug season. Where we are, this part of the country, the bugs are everywhere. And if you look on the front of they're all on the mirrors and on the instruments. Look at this, 2 big bugs. Look at the size of these bees. And there's usually bugs all over the headlights. So what I found, and it works well for me, is my face shield is full of bugs too. If I wet this down before a ride, and then I stop to take pictures or buy gas or whatever, I can just take this out, wipe the face shield, and I haven't found any way to do that dry. I have to have, when it's ordinary tap water, is fine. But boy, today was the beginning of the bug and the bee. If you knew how many bees were up on that wisteria, that's unbelievable. It's like a beehive. Anyway, it's time for a cup of coffee. We're going to sit out here and I'm going to oogle the bikes for a while. So once again, we have gotten a great ride on a great day with a great bike, a great wife. The only thing bad about the whole day, these bugs. Now I gotta, and I'm fussy about it. When I put the bike away after I get done oogling it, I want those bugs off. I've seen guys that don't clean the bugs off, and a week later they attach to the bike like scongeals or something. Anyway, this is a great little tip. Till the bug season's over, I'll be keeping that with me, or even keeping it in my pocket. Actually, it'd probably stay, when it's summer, you could keep it in your pocket. Great ideas. You know, with all these great inventions I have, it's amazing I'm not rich. But I am rich. Rich in spirit. Anyway, I see those signs all over the place thanking the healthcare workers, and I wanted to make sure I don't let a video go by I don't thank them, because they are keeping us safe, and because of them, hopefully we'll all be safe in the very near future, including my family. So, hope you did enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.